So many people have been asking, how do I get Cami to work on my iPhone or my iPad or other Apple device? It's not difficult, but it does take a few more steps than doing it on a Chromebook or a computer. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and make sure that you have downloaded Google Chrome browser and Google Drive. Once you've done that, you go into your Google Chrome browser and you go to Schoology. Now, if you were on a computer, just to the right of the PDF that you're trying to open, it would say Open with Cami. But since it does not on an iDevice, you simply click. And when you click the file, down at the bottom, it will say Open In. You click the Open In at the bottom right, and you will click Open in Drive. You will have to select a folder down here at the bottom. I just save it into my regular drive. You may want to save a folder that says Cami Work or Math or whatever you have on there. When you do, it will populate blue in the upper right-hand corner to say Upload, and you'll need to upload the file. Then you will go to web.camiapp.com. Now, it will say Open from Google Drive, and you'll need to click that at the top. Sometimes it takes it a few minutes. Then you'll need to go down to your to where you've saved it. I'll usually just go to Recent and select it. And you'll come up with your document in Cami that you can then edit. When you go to turn it in, it will say Google Drive with annotations, and you'll begin your export. Now, I click Open in Google Drive, but for some reason, it usually just spins and spins and spins when you do that. So it's better to go out to Google Drive, find your document, and it will say Cami Export if it's the one with the annotations, as you have here. Then you can hit the 3 buttons on the right-hand side that say Share, and you can share it with your teacher. You can even add a message, and you can say, this is my Cami for Friday or in math or whatever you need to do. And you'll click the blue arrow on the right, and it will share it with your teacher so it can be graded. I hope this helps you out. Thank you very much.